Hi, this is Mr. Bright, and I'm going to show you how to make the form for your escape room. So let's get started. We don't have an app. So what we have to do is just go into Safari. And so we're going to search up Google Forms. And one of the first things you're going to see is Google Forms sign in. You might have to actually sign in with your account. I'm already logged in, so I'm ready to roll. So we already have a question started for us. Now we can change the title of the form. We want to call it, escape room. Maybe you have a theme that you're thinking about, and so you can title it however you'd like. Now, when we come into question 1, all questions default to multiple choice, as you can see here. We're going to change that to short answer. I'm going to write my question. What is 2 times 2? Okay. And so I've written that. And in order for this to work as an escape room, well, first of all, we want to require the question, so we're going to turn that on. Then we're going to click the 3 dots, and we're going to select response validation. And now it requires that you have the right answer. So right now it says greater than, but we're going to change that. So number is good. We're going to change this greater than to equal to. And then the answer is, in this case, 4. And we can put a custom positive error text like, keep trying, something like that. Okay. And now we're all set. Now, this was our first level. So what we want to do now is add a level, or add another section to our form. So the last choice is 2 rectangles. We're going to select that. And this is going to create a new section. So in this case, I'm going to write level 2. Okay, then we're going to add another question. So the little plus button here at the top of our choices is for another question. So let's do, this time, what is 3 times 3? So there's my second question. Now notice it's defaulted again to multiple choice. I'm going to change that to short answer. I'm going to require that you have to answer it, and then I'm going to select the 3 dots and select response validation. Again, I'm going to change that greater than to equal to. And in this case, my answer is 9. Oh, it didn't change it. Here we go. So equal to 9, and I'll say very close. Okay. Now it's all set. So I'm going to just show you one more layer. So you're going to keep doing that process, and I'm going to add a 3rd section. This is the final section here. So maybe I put final level. And now for the final level, after you've answered all the questions, I want to add, the prize. So you could do a video, you could do a picture. If you select picture, it's this 4th option, and you can pick one from there. Or maybe you want to do a video. If you know the URL, you can copy it from the YouTube video and then click on URL and paste it there. Or you could search for a video. So in this case, I'm just going to real quick search for happy birthday. Okay, and all these things come up. I'm just going to pick the first thing for right now, just to show you in the video. Okay, so now it's all set. So if we wanted to preview this, if we go up to the top here, you'll see there's a little eyeball. It's the 3rd option. I'm going to tap on the eyeball, and now we can test it and make sure that it works. So you can see the names there and the first question, and that's all we can see so far. So what is 2 times 2? Well, first of all, let me show you if we get it wrong. So if 2 times 2, I said is 3. It'll pop up red, and there was our validation positive message. Keep trying. So let's now show what happens when we get the correct answer. So we put 4, we click next, there it is. Again, if we say the wrong answer, it shows my message, very close, yay, you're doing it, okay. Now we put our real answer, the right answer, 9, okay, and now we've got to the end. And then the person would be able to see the video. Okay, cool. Now, what you notice here is that we can do a couple of things I can show you on that too. So if we go back to this form, if there's anything that we want to change, of course we can. Now this video, it's centered left. If you wanted to change it to align it right, you could have it aligned right. You could have it aligned centered. And you can of course do that, or we could put here, maybe we want to say congratulations. And all sorts of things like that. So this should get you from, this is enough information for you to be able to make your own escape room. So good luck with it and have fun.